Okay. Look at that.
Look at this. Look at all this free crushed limestone.
Free crush. That's the well right there. Well. Who has water now?
The well wasn't free, but this limestone came with the deal. So I consider it free.
No.
Well.
Oh my god, that's embarrassing.
That's the joke.
So, alright, let's cut to a well-fashioned show. I look good? Yeah, I do.
No.
Did you ever notice how fat this thing makes me look?
Yeah, I did actually.
Yeah, it's definitely not the fact that I'm fat. Okay, today on fixing a Mini X and building a platform in the woods. Try and fit
Good
that
one.
on a title. Yeah, real original.
Like we have a plan.
So as you can see, we had a little bit of an issue. Right there. It's a little hole. Ruptured. So we're gonna change this hose, put a new one on, and then we're going to put those up at the other part of the property that I'm not even pointing at right now, and we're gonna build the platform. Jamie's gonna mill for us. She'll be a millish girl, and I think that's it. That's all we're doing.
I think that's it.
And as always, any words of wisdom? Nothing. I hope this is filming. No, that was the right way.
You want to connect this in?
Not yet. Nice and greasy, buddy. All right. I don't think this hose is the right size, but
You don't think so?
no. I don't know how much of a difference that will make though. If anything, it should just make the hydraulics faster. How does this not seriously just doesn't rotate? That's what I wanted. You're gonna be like, you're littering. Just give it a little bit of slack. Okay, wire gloves for this. I gotta turn it more. I have to wear gloves for this. Slippery. What's going on here? Oh my god, vicious hand cramp. Uncontrollable. Give me some slack there. Okay. Try this again.
I'm gonna give it a shot.
Isn't that frustrating?
So much fun.
Oh, this thing, no, won't even.
Wait.
Okay, that's on. That's on. This is the right way, right? Yeah, it is. Oh God, point this in the right direction. Look at that. That was all me. I just break it, tightening it too much.
Good.
Oh, how the hell did I hand tighten that? All right. Moment of truth. Basically a mechanic, not a big deal. That's good. Good to go. Wow. Tips, tricks, and how-tos. Cool.
Damn, must have fallen off the thing there. Watch your head.
Apparently I need to wear a helmet hat. What's a helmet hat? It's all about the sound you make after you exert all your energy.
Yeah.
Oh! I don't know how we're gonna do this, but it's gonna happen. We're double filming.
Whoa.
Don't I look cool? Wow.
You don't look
My
cool.
eyes are so beautiful.
Oh my God.
Pretty sure I just ruptured my spine.
Good.
We might have to go through the other side. Wait, unless I could do this and take it right in the teeth. It was right there, man.
So close.
Okay, we're gonna have to do this. Oh my gosh. This is what we're getting hung up on something here. Oh, I know what it is. The sheathing that you said we should have taken off. And Nate decided not to because he doesn't listen.
Weird.
It's so weird that happens. Oh wait, I think I got it. Think those are a 10 or a 12?
10.
That's what I thought too. And we were both right. Wait, can I do a... This is how we get the shots, folks. You just have to act like yourself. Just be natural.
Just be natural.
If you're not smelling the metal, it's not real mechanics.
Yeah. Got a good shot of your G-Shock there.
Oh yeah?
Whoa.
Oh, what? Listen, I washed that thing yesterday with hand soap in a bathroom somewhere, so take good care of my stuff.
That's good.
All right, now these are gonna be the fun ones.
Good.
I guess I should have lifted all the hoses and taken all the stuff out underneath it. I mean, it's just gonna be replaced by other stuff.
I mean, you could do a good job, or you could just half-ass the job.
Says the guy who's only running one camera right now.
I'm running 2 cameras. That's it.
That's how you fix it.
All repaired.
All repaired. That's it. Done. Now let's go smash some trees. Lumber. Lumbar, it's pronounced in French.
Are you sure?
Lumbar. Lumbar.
Lumbar.
Wah!
What is it?
Wah is wood.
Wah.